Alright, the world is striving for fuel crisis, and here is me taking adventure. If Taga Negros mo, Asani! Yay! I will be roaming these mountains here. Alright. Let's go. It's cloudy and it's more adventurous. Very mingaw po dito. Mingaw is a silent place. I love this. Oh my God. Yeah, this place is Calabnugan. So silent here. You can really breathe deep here. It's so refreshing. Daming baka, my friends. Oh, daming baka. Oh. It's been quite long that I haven't been here. Namimiss ko ang place na to. So it's the nearest in Dumaguete City na parang isolated siya na sobrang peaceful and place. Shirley and I. Ang sarap naman ito. After the quarry, near the quarry of Calabnugan, sinimento na pala itong patungong San Antonio na daan. Wow, it's so nice here. Alright, so peaceful. Ano kaya itong nandito? Parang resort? Ano ba yan? Oh my, this is so mataas. OMG! So mataas po yan na daanan. Tapos ito yung quarry sa Calabnugan. So beautiful. So malaki po yan. Grabe, ang taas. Wow. Ito pala yung dinaanan ko noon. Talagang isang motorcycle lang yung makakadaan. Wow, ang tapos ngayon. Wow, oh my God. So very nice. Daanan na po dito. So very nice for the bikers or adventurous people. Wow. So nice. Speed, grabe. Wow, I love this. I really love this. Whoa. Kuha nagdalag. Hi, baboy. Diyan. Very nice dyan yung overlooking. Ito yung part noon. Dito ako tumigil. Nagtanong kung meron ba talaga daanan patungong San Antonio. Isang, as in 1/4 ng daan lang yung daanan. Doon kami pumunta kasi nagtatanong ako ng mabibiling lupa. Sobrang lawak, katubuhan. Ganda dyan ng overlooking. Alright, let's go. Tay-tay. Ikaw ta. May kaibigan tayong dumating. Merong satellite dito. Taas. Saan tayo pumunta? Diyan? Or... Ay, ginawa ko kalamihan nilang taon. Oh my God. San Antonio na ni San Antonio. Wow, this green mountain, cloudy. Wow. This wind. Alright, more on this pa. Alright, this is ata-ata already. May mga game parks po tayong na anuhan doon na nagian. Adventure. Ay, nasa laag nagkaryot. Oh my God. Very, very nice. Ata-ata. Bawal pasudlan ng video ng tagkaryot. Just what I needed. Oh. Angas langit. Ata-ata, padulong pa po balili. Adventure. Let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, so Instagrammable. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Wow! Super ganda dito. Kalawak ng... Parinig niyo yung hangin, guys. Yung ugong ng hangin. Yung katahimikan, kapaligiran. Super grabe, kaganda dito. Ata-ata, around Ata-ata, San Antonio, Balili. Ang lapad pa ng mga lupain. Ang ganda ng kabundukan. You know, sea level yun. Dagat. Wow, yun yung Cebu. Oh. Just what I really needed. Sobrang sarap, so refreshing. Karamutsing, karamutsing. Karamutsing. Diyan kami dumaan, no? Go, go, go. Oh, so that kasuludlon, mo ni siya exit na ako sa Balili. From Calabnugan to Balili. Saan ako dapit ayo dabay? Alright. Super kalayo. Oh my God. So ngingaw. Grabe, I so love this. Nature. Whew, I reached the highway of San Antonio. Balili Road. So nice, again, peaceful. Silent. Oh, Siliman Mini Car Center. Look at those trees. Coconut trees. Coco. Oh my gosh, I love this place so much. Nakawala ng stress. Weeha! Sarap ng hangin, guys. Ikaw lang at saka nature yung nandito ka. Woohoo! Alright. San Antonio, San Antonio. Kapangalan ko kasi, kaya gusto ko dito. Antonio Jose. San Antonio, San Jose. Woohoo! Alright. Hi, mama. Baka. Dami mong damo dyan. Woohoo! Sarap kadamuhan.